For the welders who perform a variety of welding and grinding tasks and require an excellent view in a comfortable and well-balanced helmet, introducing the 3M Speedglas welding helmet, G5-03 Pro and Pro Air, a series of versatile helmets offering excellent function and performance. One great design, two versatile helmets. The outside has a smooth contour to prevent your helmet getting caught on something when working in narrow spaces. Our unique tap function lets you switch quickly between grinding and welding by simply tapping on the side of the helmet. The head suspension is specially designed to avoid sensitive areas. Combined with a large headrest, it achieves a stable fit that lets the helmet balance comfortably on your head. The G5-03 also features a low pivot point for an improved center of gravity when your shield is raised. From controls on the outside, you can easily adjust how the helmet sits on your head. Side windows deliver a wider view while keeping the helmet in the safe down position, making it easy to reach for tools and materials. Our popular natural color technology gives you a more realistic view, so you have better control over your arc and displays colors as they appear naturally when not welding. The G5-03 TW filter offers a 2.5 shade level in the light state, providing you with an even brighter view between welds. While the G5-03 VC variable color filter enables you to adjust the colors seen through the welding filter in the dark state for more accurate welds. Control all settings for the filter straight from your phone. You can program memory modes, log welding filter activity, access user manuals, and more. With a safety helmet adapter, you can securely and easily attach a 3M selected safety helmet to your G5-03 Pro. The optional helmet-mounted task light provides you with a uniform light of your workspace and is great when working in poorly lit areas. Combined with the light state 2.5 filter and the easy switching of the tap function, it lets you grind with increased visibility and ease. The helmet is designed to allow air to circulate inside, reducing the risk of your filter fogging up. And for even better prevention, add the optional anti-fog inner protection plate. Choose from a range of accessories that gives you an extended protection against heat, radiation, spatter, and sparks. If you are in need of filtered air, the G5-03 Pro Air delivers a compact and lightweight respiratory system, giving you protection against harmful welding fumes, offering the highest safety class for powered air. For increased comfort around your face and head, you can direct the airflow to either your face, your visor, or a combination of both. You can also adjust the amount of air coming from the top outlet versus the two side outlets, or choose a blend of both. The G5-03 Pro Air is compatible with the 3M AdFlow powered air purifying respirator. One major advantage of the G5-03 is its modular design. Many of the spare parts and accessories are compatible with the G5-01. This means less inventory for a workshop using multiple systems. The new 3M Speedglas welding helmet G5-03, a part of the Speedglas Generation 5 of welding helmets. Take your craft to a new level and experience our latest comfortable safety.